Hey, it's just a quick video. I'm here at camp underneath my little rain canopy that I built. I'll make a video of that later. But yeah, I just wanted to show this. People make, I forgot what they're called. If you have AA batteries in something, but you only have AAA batteries, you make these little battery holders. So you can put the AAA batteries into the AA battery stuff, and they actually make ones that you can buy. It's just basically a little shell. It's, you know, the size of a AA battery, and the AAA battery fits in there. It makes contact. It's a little bit longer because a AA battery is a little bit longer, a little bit wider. That's it. It's still 1.5 volts. Just the AAA is less capacity. And so yeah, I got this tube. It's actually a USB cheap little charger you could buy like at the checkout counter at Walmart or some shit. And yeah, of course it's probably made in China, I imagine. I could probably almost guarantee it's made in China. Well, who cares? I don't know what kind of circuitry this thing has, but I don't think it does very good charge regulation. Like with the voltage, it doesn't. I think it kind of messes stuff up. So I'm just going to use it as like emergency backup. So I'll have, you know, I know this is a little off topic for the video, but since I'm here talking about this thing, it's pretty cool. It's real light. It's made of anodized aluminum. Yeah, just USB. And this screws on there. You throw a couple AA batteries in there. AA batteries have, I believe, 2,000 milliamp hours each, or something like that, depending on which ones you get. I would recommend getting like Duracell or something. They're the best. No matter what anybody says, Duracell is the best. But anyway, this thing's cool because it's real lightweight. You can just have it with you anywhere you go. You see the size compared to a Bic lighter. It's basically the size of like lipstick, but tall. And I'll just use it as an emergency. Have like 4 AA batteries, you know, just in case you're somewhere and you just don't have a way to get to the charge, you know, to an outlet, and all your stuff is dead. You know, I got the iFrugs 7800 milliamp hour battery bank. This like a little beast. This thing, it's kind of has a little weight to it, heavier than a smartphone for sure, but still pretty light and awesome rubberized coating. I know I'm getting totally off topic, that's fine. This thing takes a while to charge, but it also gives you basically each one of those lights is pretty much a full charge on my phone. My phone's like 2070 milliamp hour. But you know, if this is dead, and then I have this one's actually connected to my phone right now, charging it, which is, this one's junk. It's Pocket Juice, totally unreliable. Do not rely on this. Plug it in, does not charge. Plug it in again, you have to try it like 100 times. It's almost like computer software. It sometimes might not work. A lot of times it doesn't work. Sometimes I'm very lucky if it does work. It sucks. So if you're down to your last battery and it's this, and you're like, oh, I'm fine, and then it doesn't work or whatever, even if you use it up, you know, you get the point. You got this in your bag or in your pocket. You could even attach something to it and put a lanyard and then have a little strap so it's like, you know, connected to your pants or something, or like wherever. And if you have one of those long pockets. But anyway, you know, top your bag, boom, I got, you know, your friend's phone is dying, like here, plug it in here for like 10 minutes, your phone will you know, if your friend's phone died or your phone died, whatever, you will get enough power. I wouldn't use this at all ever to like for normal phone usage because of what I think it's damaging it, and also it's just too weak. But anyway, the whole point of the video, this takes AA batteries, and the simplest thing I've ever thought of is paper for like all kinds of different solutions for like all kinds of things, building little devices or whatever. Paper, you can do so many, like millions of unlimited things with paper. Folding it, just balling it up, making spacers, shims, like, I mean, there's just unlimited amount of uses for like paper. And so for here, all I did was rolled up